Hello and welcome to Lush Plants. In this episode, we're discussing 3 syngoniums. From common to rare, we'll be looking at the different features of these plants, and I'll share some of my opinions based on advantages, disadvantages, should you own this plant, etc. Now, let's get right into the plants. First off, we have one of the classics, Syngonium Pink Splash. This plant features a mix of green and pink variegation. It's more on the common side. We'd say the price in Canada is anywhere from 50 to 150 Canadian dollars. And the leaves do look their best right when they've unfurled. The bright pink, it's right in your face. With time, the leaves do fade or discolor, and you have to wait for new leaves to come in. Next, we have a less common syngonium, the Syngonium Black Pink. Similar to the previous, it's green and pink. However, the green is more on the outside of the leaf, while the veining or the middle part of the leaf is more your pink. The pink is less pronounced, but the plant seems to not wash out, or the leaves don't wash out or discolor as fast or at all, in my experience. This one is harder to propagate, it seems. It's a slower grower, and the rough range price, let's say in Canada, is anywhere from 100 to 300 for a pot. Finally, we have the Syngonium Pink Spot Tricolor. Similar to the Pink Splash, but add in some white variegation in the mix. This plant is far less accessible. The prices in Canada anywhere from 500 to 1,500 Canadian dollars for a decent sized plant. This plant is as easy to propagate as the Pink Splash. It's a fast grower, and the leaves are absolutely amazing when they first come out. However, some of the leaves do eventually fade with time, which is to be expected. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and comment, letting me know your favorite syngonium, and I'll see you next time on Lush Plants.